Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on rate. We have already seen that a ratio compares two or more quantities which have the same units. In this video we will look at rate. A rate compares two quantities which are expressed using different units. It is written as the first quantity per the second quantity. Let's look at some examples to see how this works. Number one, a train travels 200 kilometers in 4 hours. What is the average speed of the train? The solution, 200 kilometers in 4 hours, that will be 50 kilometers in 1 hour. So all you do, you go 200 divided by 4. So you divide each of these by 4, that gives you 50 kilometers here and 1 hour there. So the rate is 50 kilometers per hour. We normally use the word per. And you can see the two different measurements or the units. One is kilometers and one is hours. So we have distance and time. And that's where we get our rate. Number two, Bill receives $180 for working 6 hours. What is his hourly rate of pay? So we have $180 in 6 hours. So if we divide each of those by 6, that gives us $30 in 1 hour, which is $30 per hour. So here we have an amount of money, and here we have time. Number 3, Mary paid $9.60 for 3 kilograms of grapes. What is the cost per kilogram? So for the solution, we have $9.60 for 3 kilograms. If we divide each of these by 3, that gives us $3.20 for 1 kilogram, which is $3.20 per kilogram. So here we have an amount of money, and here we have a mass. Number 4, a tap discharges water at a rate of 24 litres per minute. How many litres does the tap discharge in 1 hour? So we have 24 litres in 1 minute. So if we multiply the 24 litres by 60, and here that gives us the amount in 1 hour because there are 60 minutes in an hour. So if we multiply those two numbers together, that gives us 1,440 litres in 1 hour, which is 1,440 litres per hour. And finally, a bike rider is travelling at a rate of 12 metres every second. How far does he travel in 1 minute? The solution, we have 12 metres in 1 second. So to find out how far he travels in a minute, multiply each of those by 60. So there's 12 by 60 metres, so 1 second by 60 gives you 1 minute. So that's 720 metres per minute. So this video has introduced the idea of rate, and basically here we're comparing two quantities which have different units.